Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel, Premium Club YouTube channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how do I make $25 in just 10 minutes from Fiverr without having any skill by doing some simple copy and paste work. In this video I am going to show you everything on live screen with the proof. I will actually open my Fiverr order and I will deliver my work on live screen. So you can follow the exact same method and start earning $25 over and over again at your home without having any skill. So guys, if you are interested to make $25 at your home over and over again, then please watch this video till the end. Without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, here you can see this is my Fiverr order, and with this order what I have to do is I have to deliver motivational quotes and inspirational quotes to my client. You can see guys, this order is already finished now and I have already earned $20 with this order. In this video I am going to show you everything on live screen with the proof, so you can follow the exact same method and you can start earning $25 over and over again. It is very easy copy and paste work guys. So please try to watch this video till the end. And in this video I am also going to show you how you can add your client's logo or your client's text to hundreds and thousands of images in just one click. And best part is it is 100% free. There are some paid tools as well, but in this video I will share some free tool, and with the help of free tool you can add your client's logo to hundreds and thousands of images for free. Here you can see guys, I delivered these types of quote images with my client's logo at the bottom of this quote image. You can see guys, this order is already finished now with 5-star rating. Here you can see guys, here I received 5-star review from my client, and you can see guys, this order is already finished now. So guys, if you are interested to make $25 over and over again from Fiverr, then please try to watch this video till the end. Without wasting any time, let's get started. But guys, before I start this video, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Here you will find quality content about social media marketing, make money online, freelancing work, and everything in between. Guys, the beauty of my channel is I only make video on that topic which I personally follow and make money online. So for the quality content guys, please do subscribe my channel. Believe me guys, the value you will find here on this channel you will not find anywhere else. So please subscribe my channel right now. And guys, also please don't forget to give me a like on this video. Let's make a goal of 300 likes on this video. Guys, you can see I am doing all this hard work only for you guys. Otherwise I am making enough money from Fiverr, but guys, still I do create video only for you guys. I want to help you guys, and I really want you to make money online from Fiverr. That's why I am doing all this work for you. So please try to give me a like on this video and share your best comment as well. Before I show you how do I deliver my work, let me show you how you can provide these types of services on Fiverr. For that, here I just open fiverr.com, and here you can see guys, I search inspirational quotes. You can search motivational quotes as well. It is same types of service. You can see guys, here with this service you can see guys, people are providing different packages. You can see some people are providing $45 service, $45 service, $10 service, $5 service. Here you can see this person is providing 99 motivational quotes with logo for $5. Here you can see 795 motivational quotes with $25 price. You can see guys, you can provide these types of service here on Fiverr. You have to create the exact same service like this. I will provide motivational quotes and I will deliver with your logo. You can provide these types of service. Here you can see, here I open some random service. You can see $15 basic price for 50 quotes, $45 is price. You can see this person has already completed over 1000 plus order. You can see 990 review, 99 motivational quotes for $5, and 1000 motivational quote is for $30. You can see guys, so many people are providing the exact same service, and you can provide the exact same service here on Fiverr as well. So guys, I hope you will understand which types of service you have to provide here on Fiverr. You can provide this service without having any skill. So now let me show you how you can get these images, quote images for free, and how you can deliver it to your buyer with your client's logo. Guys, to get free images, free quote images, what you have to do is, this is the first method. You have to come here on Google and you have to type quotes. I just type quotes here, and you can see guys, here you have to come on images, and here you have to click on tools, and here you have to do label for reuse. So guys, these all images are labeled for reuse. You can download this image and you can add your client's logo into this image and you can deliver to your buyer. Another method is, guys, you have to come here on Canva and you have to type quotes. Canva is free website and you can download all these quotes and you can deliver it to your buyer. You can see, guys, there are hundreds and thousands of quotes. These are the free quotes you can deliver to your buyer. But guys, I have already designed some images which I deliver to my buyer. You can see, guys, I have all these quotes in my file in my computer which I deliver to my buyer. Let me open some random quotes. You can see, guys, I'm sorry for that. Let me open in another software. You can see, guys, I have these types of quote images in my PC which I deliver to my buyer with my client's logo. It is very easy, guys. I have already designed all these images, so I deliver these types of images to my client. I have these types of images in my PC. And now let me show you how you can add a logo or text to multiple images. And for that, what you have to do is you have to come here on batchwatermark.com. batchwatermark.com. Here you have to click on choose image button and you have to choose images. You can see, guys, I'm choosing 20 images. You can choose as much as image you want to choose. You can add images as well, or you can add text as well. Here I'm just going to add images and I'm just going to add my logo. You can see, guys, here you will get an option at which position you have to add your logo. You can see, and you can reduce and increase the size as well. You can see I'm just going to reduce this size at some point. You can see, guys, and I'm going to do visibility to 85. No, let me make to 100. You can see, and once you okay, you just have to click here on start button and you can see, guys, this website will automatically add your logo to all the images you add. You can see, guys, it is 100% free. You can add as much as image you want to add with this website. The website name is batchwatermark.com. You can see, guys, once you add all these images, it will be automatically download. You can see, guys, let me show you how it works. You can see, guys, so in this way you can add image or text which your client will provide you to multiple images, to hundreds and thousands of images. You can add your client's logo and your client's text or your client's website name. So guys, I hope you will understand what you have to do. But guys, if you are my course student, if you have purchased my course, then with this course I will give you 500 quote images which you can provide on Fiverr for $40 to $80. You can see, guys, with this course I will show you how you can rank your gig at the first page of Fiverr in just 3 days, how you can get your first order within a week. Plus I will also share some skill to make $100 per day without having any skill. So guys, if you are my course student or if you purchase my course, with this course I will give you 500 quote images which you can sell on Fiverr and you can start earning money from fiverr.com without having any skill. I already show you how you can add your client logo or your client text without purchasing any software. So now you just have to come here on Batch Watermark and you have to add images, quote images, and you have to add your client's logo and you can sell this service on Fiverr. So guys, I hope this video will helpful to you. If you have any question, guys, please feel free to ask me. And guys, with this course is not the end. With this course I will provide my lifetime support. If you have any question, guys, you can ask me. I will reply you within 24 hours. So guys, I hope this video will helpful to you. If you have any question, guys, please feel free to ask me. This is simple method, guys, so I'm not going to make a long video on this. It is very easy, guys, so I hope you will understand. If you have any question, guys, please feel free to ask me. I would love to help you. Thank you so much, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel as well, and also please don't forget to give me 300 likes on this video. You can give me more than 300 likes as well. It's up to you, guys, but if you can give me at least 300 likes, it will motivate me a lot. And also please don't forget to share your best comment. Guys, please don't wait. Go on Fiverr and provide motivational and inspirational quote images service on Fiverr and add your client logo. It is very easy, guys. Believe me, it will take less than 15 minutes to deliver this work. It is 100% easy guys and legit method. There is no any types of risk in this method. It is 100% legit and very easy. So please change your life, go on Fiverr and provide the exact same service. There is a very less competition right now in this field, so you can easily get order and you can start earning money from Fiverr. So I hope my this video will helpful to you. Thank you so much guys. Have a nice day. Stay safe.